Over time, the self-adjusting strikers on your better-built toolbox may need to be manually adjusted to ensure smooth operation. You might find when shutting your lid that it becomes too loose or too tight. Adjusting the strikers can help. Check it out. Open your toolbox and with a 7/16 wrench, loosen this nut. Doing so will allow you to move the striker in the desired direction. If your lid was too tight, reposition the striker down like this. If the lid was too loose, move the striker up. Tighten this nut once you've made your desired adjustment. Close and open the lid to test it out. Not quite right? Rinse and retweak. Once you get your strikers where you want them, they should self-adjust for a good long time. Enjoy your box.